Hey babe, I'm thinking about grilling some steaks for dinner. Do you know how much propane we have?
I don't know, let me look. It looks like our passenger tank's just about empty, if not empty, but we're good on the driver's side.
Okay, great, thanks.
Hey everyone, I have a question for all you veteran RVers. What's the biggest pain in the butt when it comes to propane? And for you new people to RVing, let me tell you what the answer to that's going to be. Figuring out how much propane you have. Rhonda and I found a high-tech solution to remedy that. One of our pain points with RVing has always been, how much propane do we have? Since we've gone 30-pound tanks, these things get heavy, and the only way to really tell was to pick them up and feel the weight of them. We found a solution that works for us. So Mopeka has ultrasonic sensors. They're used commercially in large fuel tanks, propane systems. So they make an RV application that has one of their sensors that magnetically mounts to the bottom of the tank, and it's got a little ultrasonic pad, and you put dielectric grease on the center and mount it to the bottom. These sensors can be set up for 20-pound, 30-pound, 40-pound, and I believe even some custom-sized tanks inside the phone app that will interface with these to see what your levels are. Also, the kit that we purchased came with a wall mount display, so you can just hit the button and see how much is in each tank. These sensors will make it much more convenient to figure out how much propane is in the tank, especially with people with travel trailers with the covers on the front, or RVs with big 30 or 40-pound tanks. One of the advantages to these sensors is, I believe, starting in February of 2023, Mopeka has provided, in collaboration with Victron, integration for those people that have Cerbo GXs. The data from this will show up on your Cerbo. I have to give credit where credit is due. Chad from Changing Lanes did an awesome job on running some data to see what the accuracy is, and in his testing they were very accurate. At worst case it was off like 8%, but he acknowledges that when he was rapidly depleting the propane tank, that changes the temperature of the tank, which changes the data points. They have a couple different models of the Mopeka sensors. The magnetic ones are for steel tanks. For those of you that have the aluminum ones, they have the sensor goes on the bottom, and then they have a plastic ring that covers that to hold it to the tank. So this is the phone app showing both tanks, and it even has some additional data. If you drill into one of your tanks, go to additional info, you can see it even shows temperature. You can even add other sensors for like your sticks and bricks barbecuer. If you have some spare propane tanks that you bring with, just put a Mopeka sensor on that and they'll all be listed here. And this is the wall mount adapter or reader. We can just hit the button. It'll do a quick wake up and show that tank 1, which would be our driver's side, is full. Tank 2 is empty, or darn near empty, just like the app shows. This is just one of those accessories that makes our lives easier. We're going to be doing more of these type of videos. So if you like this video and want to see others that we do, Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified when we have a new one out. Thanks, everyone.